Hey guys, for all the individuals out there, traders who are listening to me right now, take a look at this chart. What does it mean to you? Does it jump out at you and say, wow, that's really cool? Man, look at all the money that could have been made. Well, for years, longer than just about anyone else who's been on the internet, I've been saying, don't focus on the money, focus on the process. A lot of people have stolen that from me, but that's okay, because they don't know nearly as much as I'll ever know. But what's very, very important is, why does the market move up here? See, that's like $1 million question, isn't it? Why did the market go up here? Well, there's a definitive reason why it went up here. And it has zero to do with Fibonacci, market profile, or any of that stuff. It has to do with a word we all know and we've all heard. It's called price action. Price action in the marketplace. And then there's an absolute reason why the market went sideways here for quite a while in the 30, 40 penny range. Okay, that's called lack of price action and grinding higher. Now you may be asking yourself, well, gee, Sam's going to tell us it was a way for us to get into this trade, even after the initial trade here between 9 and 9:30. And you're absolutely right. Okay? But as I said on an earlier video, I only took 50 pennies out of this, and I was happy. I mean, really, how much do you need? I'm sure some of my students were able to get 150, 200 pennies. Me? 50 is good. No complaints. You know what that means? It means by 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock, Eastern time, I'm done. Not a bad way to go. Better than slaving over a job and working 10 hours to try to make $500, $600, $700 a day. All right? Absolutely. The market goes sideways and moves up. And we get some price action right here. We have another entry right here. Up. And it just keeps going. What I like to say, guys, is you need to micromanage your entries and macro-manage your exits. That's right, micromanage your entries and macro-manage your exits. Simply speaking, what that means is you better have your entry very, very close to being exact. Now, it could be within a few pennies, of course. Okay, but you have to know why you're getting into a trade. Why am I exiting a trade? Am I getting out of a trade for a definitive reason? That could be many reasons. One could be, hey, you know what? I'm at my target for the day. Absolutely. Another one could be there's a material change in the marketplace. Absolutely. But reasons that won't work. Well, the phone rang. My spouse needed me to go take the trash out. Those things, as you know, if you don't already know, will ruin you as a trader. You need to have 3 to 4 hours a day. That's all. Of uninterrupted trading. That means nothing else in the world can get in the way of your trading. We're just talking about 4 hours of your day. I mean, think about it. If you had one of those jobs out there, you'd be working 8 or 10 hours. Whatever, making $500, $600 a day. That's not very exciting. You know why it's not exciting? Because for the most part, for most people who go to work every day, it's mind sucking. It sucks everything out of your brain. You come home at the end of the day, you're tired. Maybe you have kids, grandkids, whatever you may have. Hey, Dad, will you throw the ball with me? No, son, I'm tired. Maybe tomorrow. As we all know, those tomorrows for most people never come. It's unfortunate. You raise a family, you get old. What do you have to show for it? If it's just financial, if it's just money, did you really live your life? Or did your life live you? Too many people get into our business for all the wrong reasons. To get rich quick, no such thing. And those hundreds and thousands of people who say to me, call me all the time, never heard from them before, and they call me up and they go, Sam, I've always had a passion for trading. And I go, really? Now, some really do. Some really do, and they're my students. And I go, well, tell me a little bit about your passion. Well, I've always dreamt of having a lifestyle where I can do this and that for my family. And then I have to stop them and ask them, well, what do you mean a passion? Tell me a little bit about that. And very few can really put it into words. Because a lot of people will mistake passion for easy. I know that sounds odd, but trading's not easy. I don't find it difficult at all because of what we do and how we do it. But I've also been doing it for over 2 decades. So when you think about the word passion, are you really passionate about trading? The reality is if you're not, your chances of success are slim to none. As a matter of fact, your chances of success in this business are slim to begin with. Now, I have hundreds and hundreds of students. And if any of you guys are really serious out there, because we get a lot of views to our YouTube videos, I get a lot of phone calls. Let me know. If you have a question, I'll be more than happy to answer it. I won't make you watch a DVD, I'll answer it. Sam Goldberg will answer it. The founder of FuturesTradingCoach.com. Hey, I'll answer any questions you have. Just promise me one thing. You're explaining to me when you say you're passionate about trading. What do you mean? Hey guys, have a great day. Thanks for spending some time with me. And remember one thing. Trading as a career can be the most rewarding career in the world as long as you're doing it for the right reasons. Take care, and until next time, enjoy your family and enjoy your life.